How to fix Dragon Ball Sparkling Zero error code 2E795EC5. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now you simply want to head over to your Steam application right here, and once inside you can just navigate through your Steam library. This is basically where we can find all of our installed games on our device. From here, you simply want to navigate through the game itself. So as an example, let's just say that this is the Dragon Ball right here. Now, to simply fix all of the problems that you are having with your game, it's really simple. So from here, all you have to do is to go ahead and right click a specific application, which is the Dragon Ball Z. And once inside, you simply want to navigate through the properties section. Inside properties, click on installed files, and from here you can then go ahead and see the option called verify this game's files are installed correctly. Now you simply want to click on the verify integrity of game files, and what this will do is that it will go ahead and make sure that every files on the game itself is installed properly to your device, making sure that there is no problems along the way. And so if this video has been helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.